Sarah in Wisconsin says, this is just a friendly money-saving reminder. I recently went to the pharmacy to pick up a prescription. Through health insurance, it was going to cost me $48. So I simply asked what the price would be without health insurance. Only $20. Always take the time to ask if there's a price difference at the pharmacy.
Okay, I want to thank you for reinforcing this, Sarah. This is something you got to know. If you have employer-provided health insurance or a pharmacy benefits manager plan, it is a dirty, 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 rotten, ugly underbelly of health coverage in the United States, what goes on with prescriptions. So there are these kickbacks that for some reason are allowed in the United States. And what's the some reason? Because our Congress does not care about you and me. Your individual congressman, your two senators, do not care about you and me. They only care about who gives them money. And so the reality is we have this ugly thing going on with 80% approximately of prescriptions in the United States. 80% approximately are generics. So what happens is the pharmacy benefits managers, our employer hires, they're just trying that the employer, they're trying to hold down what it costs them to provide us with a prescription benefit. So then you and I are billed at the pharmacy counter, net of the pharmacy benefit from our employers, we're billed an amount that's way in excess of what a cash payer has to pay for most prescriptions. So what I do when I get to the counter, I fill my prescriptions at Costco. And when I go to fill it, I say, please fill it without using my prescription benefit. And almost always, it's much cheaper for me just to pay Costco's member price for a prescription than what's offered to me through work. And that's because the pharmacy benefits manager, in that case, is cut out of getting all their dirty money kickbacks from the pharmaceutical manufacturer.